Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use your pen tool or your CorelDRAW to trace out a particular object. You can blend them together or you can actually merge them together to form a particular object. So in this tutorial today, I'll be showing you how to use a simple pen tool to form and create a simple logo from scratch. So let's dive into it. This is my CorelDRAW, this is my interface. I'm gonna check mark on the size and put 6 by 6 inches, and I'll strike enter key on my keyboard, shift F4 to balance it up, control shift S to actually create and save a new work. Alright, so I'll use Sam because this person that has this logo, the company is known as Sam Travel. Okay, Sam has Travel. Alright, Sam has Travel, and that's it. That's the file name. So the first thing is I've already gotten my object, sorry, the image I want to be using from my Pinterest. Alright, so I'll locate my download folder. Here are the objects I'll be using. So I'll hold Control key to pick the two of them, and I'll strike enter key on my keyboard to put them right away. Alright, so this is it. Okay, and then I will go with my crop tool to take some unwanted part that I don't need away from it. Then I will strike letter P, click on my bitmap, make sure it's always on 300 dpi and resolution is 300, then RGB. Alright, this is it. So the first thing first we are going to be doing is locate our pen tool. This is our pen tool, right? And then zoom in our work and start tracing. As simple as this. Alright, so I've already told you in the previous video that if you draw something like this and you want to continue a new segment and you're having a problem with this your arrow just like this, all you have to do is just hold your Alt key and then locate the knot on the object you just drew with your pen tool. Then when you hold your Alt key, just left click on it to cut it. Alright, this is it. So when you cut it, you can zoom out to continue your drawing. Alright, so just hold on, we are going to be back in a minute. So this particular logo that I want to extract from this, I'm done with it because I've just finished drawing my pen tool around it. You can see what I have here, right? So I can choose to delete this part. And another thing I have to be doing is, after drawing with my pen tool, I will be making sure that I make everything to look smooth, using my shape tool to delete or add a necessary knot. Alright, you delete unnecessary knot and add any necessary knot that needs to refine the work. Alright, so this is what I'm trying to say. You see those places I'm deleting because it's not actually necessary. I need it to be straight. Alright, so this is perfect by me. Alright, so I'll just go next to the next object. Alright, so here I'll bring my pen tool again and I'll click on this to draw another image. So this one is easy, so I will not cut the video, I'll just continue to draw so that you see how I can actually form it at the end of the drawing. Alright, so this is it. We're going this way. And this is the end part of it. Your ending point actually has to end with we have to intersect each other with the starting point which you started the drawing initially. Alright, so this is what I mean. If not, you'll not be able to add any fill color to this thing. So you can see that as I'm clicking other colors here, it is affecting the object I just drew, just because I made the selection to meet each head that I started from. Alright, so I just want to I want to attach this particular line that is here. So this is what we'll be doing. I'll drag it out a little bit like this. I'll go to my shape tool without wasting time. I'll go to my shape tool and delete this knot that is here. And this is what I wanted. Without wasting time, I've just finished everything that I needed. Alright, so I'll just delete this. When I delete it, I can just make sure I maintain the brand color of the company, which is this. Okay, without wasting time, we are gonna just add the fill color into it. Alright, so without wasting time here, what we are gonna be doing is just click on this color right here, this color box, and then we'll click on it, and then you just make something darker. This is the color of the company actually. So I'll click this line I just drew here, right click it and give it black, and then select the two of them, take it up just like this, and then this one here has to be black, and the color of the card I just drew is black. Something like this is okay. Okay, so what next? We're gonna just zoom it and locate our text tool and start typing the name of the company, Summers Travel. Yes, I get it right. Summers Travel. So the name of the font we are going to be using is Moon, is it moon or something? I just, okay, monument. This is the font, monument font. So you're gonna be putting on the boat, right? Let's confirm if it's on the boat. Yeah, so this is the boat one. All right, so we increase it by only our shift key. You just drag it outward. Okay. All right, so this is it. Okay, so we just make sure the thing is on center alignment. All right, so we hold our shift key and balance it with the headings of the letter, like the company name is on the center page. So this is what I mean. You can see that everything is balanced now. So the fin of this plane now is too big. We can adjust it by using our shape tool and our navigation key to adjust it. Something like this. Okay, you just select this place and make sure it does up a little bit. Alright, so something like this is okay for me, and I will increase it, selecting everything. I will just increase it holding shift key and dragging outward. So to make it more pop up, I'll bring something like eclipse a little bit and just give it white color, just duplicate it. So this is okay, and I'll select the whole of the car logo and the plane and group it, make sure it's on center alignment. Alright, then I'll reduce this. It's not actually that important, so I can increase it, so I can decrease it. So this is what I was trying to say. And here, this is the logo we have made using our pen tool to trace around the logo we downloaded as a sample. So we can make the color variation. We're gonna make this background black, then this can be on white. So we select the whole of the design and click letter P after grouping it so that everything is balanced in the page. This is what I mean. It was like this before. So after clicking letter P, everything got balanced on the page. So we're gonna take this one out like this. Select the whole of this and keep it here. Then double click on our rectangle box again on the rectangle tool to give us a background. Group the white one. So we are going to be using this two color inversion. Alright, so I will choose to use let me say A4 to lay them there. So I'll put it on landscape, select the whole of them and reduce it. Alright, and I'll click letter P to balance it. So without wasting time, we have come to the end of this simple tutorial on how you can use your pen tool to trace around objects that you have downloaded already from your Google or anywhere you think is best for you to get your samples or insights for design. So these are you can apply your pen tool to trace objects around them and use them to create your own logo that doesn't seem like what you got from internet. Alright, so if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment and allow notification, because a lot of videos are actually coming your way. Thank you.